Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another one brand makeup tutorial using all Faces Canada makeup products. So I've created this yellow gold halo eyes with a pop of pink/purple on the eyes with a muted berry lips as well. So if you want to know how I achieved this look, then please do continue watching. And the contact lenses that I'm wearing are from the brand TTDI in the shade Trinity Green. The link to this contact lens is given in the description box, and I also have a special coupon code for you all. You can use the coupon code to avail 10% discount on their website. So I've already cleansed my face using the Dermavive Hydra cleanser, which you all know I love. So starting off with a squeaky clean face, and then I'm going to apply the Neutriderm Vitamin E moisturizing lotion all over the face and neck and also around the eye area. My makeup sits so beautifully on top of this moisturizer, and it's very hydrating on the skin and perfect for oily skin types. Starting off with the eyebrows, I'm going to take the Ultime Pro eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown. I'm using the spoolie end to comb through the brows first and then filling in the gaps and shaping my brows. As you can see, this eyebrow pencil color is a lot more lighter than my original hair color. So I had to fix this in the end by applying a darker shade of eyeshadow on top to make it look more darker. Though it is named dark brown, it's not really a dark brown, it's more of a light brown shade. Then I'm taking the Ultime Pro concealer stick and applying that underneath my eyes to sort of sharpen up the under eyes. But as you can see, the concealer is not that pigmented for my liking, and it's very dewy. So I had to set it with some powder so that it doesn't move. For eyeshadow, I'm going to take this gorgeous eyeshadow palette from Faces Canada. It's called the Starry Eyes 18 eyeshadow color palette. First, I'm picking up the shade called Charming, which is orangey brown shade, and applying that all over the crease as a transition. Then I'm going to take this beautiful pinky purple matte eyeshadow on a tapered blending brush and just popping that right on the crease, starting to create that halo shape. I'm also applying the same eyeshadow to the inner corners and outer corners of my eyes. Then I'm taking the shade called Winsome, which is like a deep smoky purple shade, on a different tapered blending brush, and again gonna intensify the crease. Once I've laid down the color, I'm going to go in with the other brush with the pink eyeshadow to blend out the edges of the purple eyeshadow on the crease, because I do like a well blended smoky eye. Now I'm going to take a bit of the concealer on a concealer brush and just creating that spotlight halo effect right on the center as a base for my shimmer eyeshadow. I'm taking this beautiful yellow gold shade on a flat brush and just popping that right on the center where I cut the crease. These eyeshadows are very easy to blend and pop so beautifully on the eyes. I'm very impressed with this eyeshadow palette. Again, going in with the shade Winsome, just deepening up the outer corners and inner corners of the eyes. This is such a beautiful bridal/festive Indian eyeshadow palette. I love it. Moving on to the face, I'm taking the Ultime Pro primerizer. This is basically like a moisturizer and primer in one. It has got very tiny little pink shimmer particles and just adds that beautiful glow, and makeup looks very fresh and dewy. For foundation, I'm using the Ultime Pro HD Matte Foundation. This is in the shade Almond Beige, which is supposed to be their last deepest shade, and as you can see, it is way lighter for my complexion. So I'm mixing the Rimmel Lasting Radiance Foundation in the shade Mocha to deepen the foundation, because I was not really happy with their base products such as the foundation and concealer, and even then the foundation looked a bit more ashy. So yeah, was not really happy about the base for this look particularly, and it has got a lot of dewy finish, almost like a greasy finish, which I really don't like on my oily skin. Going in with the concealer again to conceal and brighten the under eyes. And since the concealer is more on the dewy side and has a very sheer coverage, it did not really cut it for me. So I had to go in with my Sugar Cosmetics Magic Wand Concealer in the shade Corn Panna, and this concealer is beautiful. Yeah, I cheated a little bit, but since I had that beautiful heavy smoky eye going on, I wanted my under eyes to look more brighter, so I went ahead with the Sugar Concealer. Now to set it in place, I'm using the Faces Canada Loose Powder in the shade Honey Beige. This is a very good mattifying powder. I really like this powder. So I'm using that to bake as well as to set all of the base makeup in place. And this holds my makeup pretty well and keeps it more mattified throughout the day. Coming back to the eyes, I'm taking the Magneteyes Kohl pencil in a black shade and applying that very thickly on the lower lash line and lower waterline. Then I'm going to take the shade Winsome again on a very tiny pencil brush and apply that right on top of the Kajal because I want that smoky purple going on the under eyes. Then I'm taking the lighter shade of purple, which is also matte, and just trying to blow out the lower lash line and make it look more smokier and blended and connecting it to the outer corners of my eyes. For eyeliner, I'm going to take the Magneteyes Liquid Eyeliner in a black shade. This is a very good, inexpensive black matte eyeliner. So I'm using that to create a nice bold winged eyeliner on both my eyes. For mascara, again I'm using the Magneteyes Volumising and Lengthening Mascara and applying that to my top and bottom eyelashes. This is also a decent product from them. It adds some length and volume to the lashes. Then to contour, I'm taking this deep matte brown shade from the eyeshadow palette itself and applying that to the hollows of the cheeks and the perimeters of the face to contour. These eyeshadows are very blendable, so even if you apply a little bit extra, you'll be able to blend it nicely. I'm also using the same eyeshadow to apply on the sides of the nose to contour my nose as well. For blusher, I'm taking the Perfect blush in the shade Hot Pink. This is like a very cool toned pink shade and it tied very well with the sort of eye makeup and the look that I created using these products. So just applying that to the apples of the cheeks. It's a decent well pigmented blusher. For highlighter, this is also one of my favorites from Faces. This is their Ultime Pro Illuminating Powder. Very muted gold toned highlighter. So I'm just applying that to the tops of the cheekbones and the regular areas of the face that I usually like to highlight, such as the bridge of the nose, the tip of the nose, the cupid's bow, the chin, the inner corners of the eyes, as well as the brow bone. It's a very subtle, finely milled golden highlighter for Indian complexions. Moving on to the lips, I'm taking the Ultime Pro HD Matte Lip Crayon in the shade Scandalous. Such a beautiful muted berry color for dusky Indian complexions. I love this lipstick, and also the formula is very comfortable and rich and pigmented. So just applying that all over the lips. Taking this bullet lipstick from Faces again. This is in the shade Natural Earth, and just applying that only to the centers of the lips to create sort of a subtle ombre effect on the lips. To lock everything in place, I'm using the Ultime Pro Makeup Fixer. This is a good makeup setting spray. It's sort of like a satiny dewy finish on the skin and fixes the makeup very well. So yeah, that is the finished final result using all Faces Canada makeup products. Very dramatic, but I really like it. Very Indian like makeup. A beautiful yellow, gold, purplish, pink sort of a halo eye paired with a muted berry lip. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. All the products used in this video will be listed in the description box. So if you enjoyed watching it, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Make sure to hit the bell icon to get notified each time I upload a new video on my channel, and take care of yourselves, and I shall see you guys soon in my next one. Bye.